Hello and welcome to today's video. We are in Lauttasaari, or more specifically in Katajaharju, because this video is going to start the series of nighttime Helsinki traffic. The ordinary lines run through daytime, these lines run through nighttime, but I am a lazy person, so I'm just going to have every single line run day and night, 24 hours. These videos will be created a bit differently than the usual ones. The reason is that the nighttime lines mainly follow already created tracks, or roads, sorry. And to be better on track, what needs to be built? I will start by creating the line and then adding the pieces of track which are still needed. Like I said, line 21N starts at Katajaharju over here. So let's start by creating the line. The price is still the same. There are no nighttime extra charges in the Helsinki city traffic, and we will start at Katajaharju. Then we will stop at Koivusaaren-tie, Vaskiniemen-tie, and Viiklakuja. Then let me have a look. Takaniemen-tie, Kuikkarinne, Lauttasaaren kirkko, and now comes the first change. Because we will need a different crossing, different kind of crossing to... Oh, don't do that. Please don't do that. Please do that. So the crossing will look a bit different now, because the bus will turn in this crossing to follow line 22, obviously that is. No. So that's gonna be one big change. Now we've built the changing blueprints, and we will move on here to Hevosenkä puisto. Then it's gonna be Särkiniemen-tie, yes, Vavuliinin-tie, Vattuniemi, and that's gonna be Melkonkuja. And then Nahkahausen-tie, Vattuniemen-kuja. Yes, that's correct. Heikkilän-tie, Pajalahden-tie, and Lauttasaaren silta. All going well so far, with a small addition of track. After Lauttasaari bridge, we will stop at Salmisaari. And we will stop at Länsiväylä. And then we'll stop at Lapinrinne. But then there will be a slight change in this end, because there is the let me see. Okay, interesting. Let me just try to find the stop in question. Oh yes. Strangely enough, there is a stop at the ground level in here. Now we'll need to move the signals. Thank you. And the stop is called Kampi Tulo Kampen Ankomstplattform. But I think we will just delete the station and make this a platform of Kampi. You cannot enter on this stop, you can only exit, which makes it a very special stop, but I will not be treating it that way. And it goes on and runs over this plaza right over here, and then it stops at let's see. Oh, oops, no, that's not what it. Oh, sorry. That's not what it does. It. Well, this is fairly irritating, but okay. It sort of connects with the underground track, but it doesn't. I will not try to recreate this thing. And then it does have a stop, but there, which is called Arkadian Puisto, Arcadia Squaren, which is one-way stop. And I think what we will do is we will create it this way. That's it, and then that's it. That stop has been created, and what remains to be created is to. Oops, no, not over there. Over there. What remains to be created is to merge this bus line with the tram line over there. Which is, of course, not a very difficult thing to do. And we'll just need to move some signals because I wasn't expecting this. Now, then, after this, small. Let's build it, shall we? There you go. And let's see where the line is at the moment. The line is running over there, but I'm going to run it through over here. And then it will, it will turn over there to Postitalo. Posthuset. Once again, a very familiar place for me. Let's see. Yes. The terminus is called Postitalo, Posthuset. It's gonna be over here. So that's it. That is it. That's the terminus, and the line has been created now. But what remains to be seen is how it will actually connect with the existing network. And okay, this is fairly interesting. Let me have a look. it does connect with the train track in there. And sorry, with the tram track, of course. Okay, let's build these blueprints and then let's have a look how the line does. It stops at Arkadian puisto, it stops at Postitalo. And then it stops at Simonkatu, Kampintori, and then it returns. No, no, wait, delete that one. What's Ruoholahden katu? There is a stop I don't recognize now. Okay, so it's basically the same stop as the Ruoholahden Villat, so we'll make it the same stop as the Ruoholahden Villat, but then after the stop, it actually shifts from the tram tracks to the bus tracks. There we go. So let's build that blueprint and then let's once again have a look where we are at, because after Ruoholahden katu it will stop at oh yes, then it will just stop at Länsiväylä, at Salmisaari, oops, and at Lauttasaaren silta, and then it will run through this system all the way like it runs the other way around. So line 21N is pretty much complete. Wonderful, wonderful. And this line runs, I think it's every 30 minutes, if I remember correctly. Yes, let's have a look. It actually, yes, it runs every 30 minutes. So let's make the line run every 30 minutes. Let's buy a new Wima. And run it on line 21N, and we're gonna need 3 of these buses. So that's it. The first night line has been created, and I will return tomorrow with a new video of a new night line. Until then, bye.